Hey guys, welcome back to my channel here. This is Penguin Tech. Today we are going to unbox this Gigabyte GeForce RTX 4060 Windforce OC 8GB version. So this is the Windforce OC edition. Now this costs on sale 1,469 ringgit in Malaysia. I know everybody is saying that this product is not worth it, but then this is also one of the best mid-range GPU at a reasonable price at the moment. Yeah, the downside is that it's only offering 8GB, but if you're gaming at 1080p, it probably is enough in any case. So this is by Gigabyte, and supports my Microsoft DirectX 12 Ultimate OpenGL 4.6 and is equipped with Gigabyte Windforce cooling system. So 2 fans, 8GB or GDDR6. I think on this side. Thing 2. So let's see. So this is what it's saying. So the fan is spinning in a different direction to push air out here. Okay. So the Windforce cooling system features 2 unique black fans, alternate spinning, a composite copper heat pipe that directly touches the GPU, 3D active fans, and screen cooling, which together provide high efficiency heat dissipation. So this also has a protection backplate. So the backplate not only provides an statistical shape, but also enhances the structure of the graphic cards to provide complete protection. So you have one display port for 1.4, no sorry, 2 display port 1.4A and 2 HDMI 2.1A. So one at each side for the DP and 2 HDMI in the middle. So and this card is 2 slots. So yeah, minimum requirement, a PCIe slot, Microsoft Windows 7, 10, 11, 64-bit or Linux, 1 PCIe 8-pin power connector required, 450 watt system power supply required. So warning, that's not what we want to see. Yeah. So what it has: cutting edge GPUs, realistic and immersive graphics with dedicated ray tracing cores, NVIDIA AIDA Lovelace architecture, AI accelerated performance DLSS 3. So one of the biggest advantage of getting a 4000 series is the DLSS 3. Game-winning responsiveness, the NVIDIA Reflex, performance and reliability, game-ready and studio device drivers, fast-track your creativity studio, AI enhanced voice and video, NVIDIA broadcast built for live streaming and NVIDIA encoder. So without further ado, let's unbox this. So there's just the GPU inside here, and let's see. Right, there's a quick guide here. Doesn't say, but it's usually 3 years of warranty. And so this GPU is inside the anti-static bag now. Let's just take it out. It's very tiny, and let me just bring it up. Yeah, so it's very tiny. So just for my hand, could be like just 20 cm though in length. And then the fan is also, I think this is 80 millimeters. Yeah, and it does say that the air is being blown up here, but then there's no gap here, so I don't really understand. Yeah, and yep. So as you can see, 2 DP, 2 HDMI, DP, HDMI, HDMI, DP, all are protected. And then you also have the PCIe cover here. Cool. So as you can see, this is a 2 slot card, right? And then you can see 1 copper heat sink here, the heat pipe here, 2 here, another here. So this takes 1 times 8 pin. Okay. The back plate is plastic. So given the price, this is as expected. And then some gaps here, and you can see the heatsink also. So I'm gonna put this into my PC And then I used to run 3060, but I'm just going to run this just for testing purposes. But I can definitely tell this is more power efficient. And then the 3060, even though it has 8 GB VRAM only, and then it's quite smaller and it uses less power also, while being about 20% better in performance, unless you run into VRAM limited situations. Yeah, so I don't think there's any RGB here. These are just printed, so this is no RGB, no lighting at all. Alright, so that's it, guys. I'll be testing this card with some games. Let me know what games you want me to test, and also do a quick comparison against the 3060 which I used to have. Yeah, that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. Remember to like and subscribe and share the video if you find this useful, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye bye.